Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Faiza Shaikh, mentor of CSS, PCS, PMS, IELTS, स्पेशली गवर्नमेंट जॉब की प्रिपरेशन भी करवाई जाती है यहाँ पे, और आल्सो कंबाइंड कम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम्स की प्रिपरेशन भी होती है. टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट द न्यू टॉपिक, फ्री ऑफ बैंकिंग. बेसिकली बैंक इज़ एन इंस्टीट्यूशन that deals money and is substitutes and provides other many related services. So free of banking, one of the student, he is appearing in the course of the banking, so he wanted to know about the what is the free of banking. Basically, interest of free banking is an interest-free system which depends upon the system of profit and loss sharing. Interest-free banking encourages pupils to invest their money and to become partners in order to share profits and risk in the business instead of the becoming creditors. पर्पज़ की बात करें तो द पर्पज़ ऑफ इंटरेस्ट फ्री बैंकिंग जो है इज़ नॉट ओनली द मेकिंग प्रॉफिट बट आल्सो मोर डेवलपिंग द ईजीनेस इन द बिजनेस एंड लाइफ ऑफ द पीपल. प्रॉफिट इज़ अ पार्शियल थिंग प्रोडक्ट एज द रिजल्ट ऑफ द बिजनेस. अकॉर्डिंग टू इंटरेस्ट फ्री सिस्टम, दिस प्रॉफिट इज़ डिवाइडेड इंटू पर्टिकुलर रिस्पेक्टिवली. बेसिकली ग्लोबल कंपटीटर्स की बात करें तो चाइना हैज़ आल्सो परमिटेड इंटरेस्ट फ्री बैंकिंग. इफ़ पाकिस्तान डोंट स्टार्ट द बैंकिंग देन वी कैन नॉट रन अहेड देन चाइना. इंटरेस्ट फ्री बैंकिंग डोंट सेंट्रलाइज द मोड एंड रिमूव economic disbalance among peoples, while capitalist economy is interest-based system in which elite groups get more and more rich and poor people lose more and more money. In this 21st century, we cannot run ahead while ignoring this banking. Interest-free banking is a banking of Aam Aadmi. Interest-free banking is a balanced and totally transparent system. Further, making profit loss, sharing, and careness of each others are the basic principles of interest-free banking. 75 countries of the world have started 1300 interest-free banking. If developing countries like India take loan from interest-free banking instead of capitalist banks, then capitalist economic would start to collapse. By 2016, interest-free economy of world would become a $1 trillion with a 50% progress rate. Interest-free banking can help to establish peace and economic prosperity for the whole mankind. Further, first complete interest-free banking was established in Dubai, 1995. Interest-free banking is becoming a very popular amongst international investors. It is not a closed system. It has not region, ethnic or class affiliation. Basically, interest-free banking is less prone to inflation. Interest-free banking finance is based on the capital should equal share the risk of business ventures, whether those are industries, farms, services, companies, or simple trade deals. Further, interest-free banking is an instrument of banking in a natural way, which has come recently before people. Difference between conventional banking and interest-free banking: bank, money, client, conventional system, banking system, bank, goods and services, clients, interest-free banking, difference. So here we discussed the conventional benefits banks and interest free banking. Money is a commonly एक boundaries a medium of the exchange and store of value. It is called the conventional banks. Conventional banks time value is the basis of the charges. You are charging interest on capital. Conventional banks interest is a charge even in the case the organization suffers losses by the using bank funds. Conventional banks, while distribute your disbursing cash finance, running finance of goods and services is met. Conventional banks use money as a commodity which leads to inflation. Now discuss the interest-free banks. Money is not commodity. Thought it is used for a medium of the exchange and store of the value. Profit on trade of goods or charging on providing services is the basic of the earning profits. Interest-free bank operate on the basis of the profits and loss of the sharing. Interest-free banking, the executions of the agreement for the exchange of goods and services is a must while disbursing funds under contracts. This is all the differences between बेसिक प्रिंसिपल्स की बात करें तो सैनिक्टिटी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स हो गए, रिस्क ऑफ शेयरिंग हो गई, नो इंटरेस्ट हो गया, इकोनॉमिक पर्पस हो गए, कुछ फेयरनेस या नो वैल्यूड सब्जेक्ट्स मैटर्स हो गए. अगर इंटरेस्ट फ्री बैंकिंग फ्री वीज़ा कन्वेंशनल बैंकिंग की बात करें तो द अप्रोच ऑफ इंटरनेट या इंटरेस्ट फ्री बैंकिंग टू सेटिस्फाई द business needs of the customers is entirely different from that of the approach adopted by the conventional banking. Basically, interest-free banking satisfies the business needs of the entrepreneurs by the following the words या methods, focus areas in different things. खुशनसीबी किसी शे का नाम नहीं, मर्तबे का नाम नहीं, बैंक बैलेंस का नाम नहीं बड़े बड़े मकानों का नाम है, बल्कि खुशनसीबी सिर्फ अपने हर खुशी या अपने हर खुश रहने का नाम है. सो एट द एंड ऑफ द क्लास आई वुड लाइक टू से ऑल ऑफ दोज स्टूडेंट्स दे हैव बीन अंडरस्टूड माई लेक्चर फ्री ऑफ बैंकिंग. सो शेयर माई वीडियोज़, लाइक माई वीडियोज़, सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल्स एंड इजाज़त दीजिए. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.